Ever wondered how to clean your gutters efficiently and safely? Well, it's a task that might seem daunting, but with a few simple steps, you can keep your gutters in top shape. First things first, let's talk about why cleaning gutters is so vital. Gutters are like the arteries of your home, guiding water away from the roof and foundation. If they're blocked, water can overflow, causing damage to your home's structure. Regular maintenance helps prevent such costly problems. So, when should you start cleaning your gutters? The answer is right now. It's always a good time to start, regardless of where you live and the number of trees that surround your home. Though it's true that specific seasons like late spring and early autumn may require extra attention, there's no time like the present to get started. Now, before you start, safety is paramount. Wear a sturdy pair of gloves to protect your hands from sharp debris and insects. Also, use a safe and stable ladder, preferably one with a standoff, to keep it stable and prevent it from damaging your gutters. You'll also need a few essential tools: a gutter scoop or small plastic shovel to remove the gunk, a garden hose with a spray nozzle to wash out the gutters, and a bucket or plastic tarp to collect the debris. Moving on to the cleaning process. Start at the downspout where most of the debris accumulates. Scoop out loose debris working away from the downspout. Once the majority of the gunk is gone, flush the gutter with your garden hose. Watch the water flow. It should move quickly through the gutter and down the downspout. If it doesn't, you might have a clog. Clogs in downspouts are common and can be tricky. If you encounter one, try using a plumber's snake tool to dislodge the blockage. If that doesn't work, you might need to remove the downspout and clear it from the ground. Now, here are a few key tips to remember. Don't lean your ladder against the gutter. This can cause damage. Instead, use ladder stabilizers. Also, never reach out further than is safe when on the ladder. It's better to move the ladder more often than to risk a fall. And finally, always check your gutters after a heavy storm to clear out any fresh debris. So there you have it, a step-by-step guide to cleaning your gutters. It's a task that requires a bit of effort, but it's crucial to maintaining the health of your home. And remember, if the job seems too big, or if you're uncomfortable on a ladder, don't hesitate to call a professional. Your safety is worth more than clean gutters. Remember, cleaning your gutters is an essential part of home maintenance. By following these steps, you'll be well on your way to keeping your gutters clean and your home safe. So why not give it a go? And that wraps up today's guide. Thank you for tuning in, and until next time, stay safe and happy cleaning.